always have trouble keeping track of when to feed my baby, when to give it medicine. I'm so sleep deprived, I don't know if I fed it an hour ago or 10 hours ago. I tried using a paper schedule, but I can't write on it with one hand, so that's out of the question. I've tried using my cell phone, but I can't keep it synchronized with my wife's schedule, and I can't hand this off to the babysitter. What can I do? Can somebody please help me?
Don't worry, sir. I've got the Baby Scheduler 5000. It's portable, durable, and not only does it keep your schedule, but it also reminds you when you need to do something. It's fantastic.
Really? How'd you come up with this idea?
We first recognized that there was a problem with new parents keeping up with their baby's schedule, so we decided to design a simple, easy-to-use solution. We initially had a few design alternatives, including this mobile phone application, which was non-expensive and supported multiple users, but the application was not compatible with every phone, so we began designing something that would run on the internet, giving more users access to the system at once. This web application gave parents a large workspace to easily input data, and the accompanying pager we designed alerted users when one of their tasks was to be done. This partially solved the problem, but it did not allow users to input calendar items on the go, and the pager is difficult to use as it has limited functionality. We finally came up with the design for a dynamic touchscreen device, the Baby Scheduler 5000, with a companion web application which allows users to take their scheduler with them wherever they go, supports multiple users at once, and allows them to easily input data using the web application.
Here you go, sir. Why don't you try it out?
It's so cool. How does it work?
The user first decides to either use the device's calendar function or the inventory function, based on the task they're trying to accomplish. If they choose to use the device's calendar function, for instance, they can immediately view all the tasks they've added to the system for the day. They can add new tasks by using the buttons at the bottom. The user will be prompted to input the name of the task, the time it is to take place, and a few other options. If the user then saves the task, it will be added to the calendar and the device will remind the user when it's time to complete the task.
Wow, how'd you make it so easy to use?
I'll let my quality assurance team take care of that one.
The prototype was evaluated using 3 methods. First, we had a panel of experts assess our device against a set of heuristics: learnability, familiarity, accessibility, efficiency, and reliability. The main area in which our experts found the device lacking was efficiency. It simply took too long and took too many actions to perform the most basic tasks.
For our own internal evaluation, we performed a cognitive walkthrough. Basically, we did the same tasks that were key essential tasks to the system, and while we did these, we are asking ourselves questions from the user's point of view. Will I be able to produce whatever action I'm looking for? Will I be able to find the action clearly on the interface? And lastly, once I perform the action, will I be able to understand the current state that I'm in? Also, we took a focus group of test users and performed usability testing. We gave them the same tasks as a cognitive walkthrough, but while they performed the task, we measured them on certain metrics. That includes the number of keystrokes and mouse clicks, the time it took to perform each task, and also the number of errors they introduced while performing the tasks.
We also asked our users if they had any suggestions for us. Some of the suggestions included providing a cancel button on the edit task screen, making the alarm bigger with brighter colors, and including glow-in-the-dark materials to facilitate finding the device in a dark environment.
That is just what I needed. Thank you, user interface designers of the Divine Realm.
No problem!